Sorry ass DJ.
Hi guys, once again this is Alfred of Sir Alfred TV. So today I'm going to share to you the amazing vacuum that we have here right now. This is what you call the rainbow vacuum. For your information guys, this is not only a vacuum. This amazing machine is a vacuum and an air cleaner or air purifier at the same time. So it cleans and wash the air inside your room. So today's video I'm going to show you how to clean this vacuum in an instant. Super easy steps, maybe 5 to 10 seconds. So I already vacuumed the room for like 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you how much dirt we got from this room for cleaning this area for a total of 5 minutes. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to remove this hose. Oh no! By simply pressing this both side. Press this one together and then remove. So we have this hose. Put this one on the side. And then, so in order to see how much dirt we got from cleaning this small area for 3 minutes, so let me show you. So just press this one and there you go. So this is the actual dirt that you obtained by cleaning for like 3 minutes. Oh, so no! Before this clean and clear water coming from our faucet. So what is amazing in this machine, the rainbow, is that we're not using any filter. We're just using clean water. So there you go. Look at this dirt. Oh no! Okay. So now let me show you how to clean this one. Let's go. So what we're going to do is just dump this one. So look at this filter. So look at this dirt, the germs that we obtain. So look at this. It seems that our house is clean already, but it's not. Look at this. Then just throw in the garbage. And then rinse first using cold water. Then put the soap. Always use cold water, okay? And then just simply clean this one using a soap and a water. Simply put cold water here until this level. Okay. Then wipe it up. Tama ba? Yeah. So now let's return this again. Put this one here properly. There's an exact position right here. Okay, you will hear the snap. Then put this thing again. Then lock both sides like this. And then you can turn it on like this. So you can turn this one on for 24 hours. So it helps you clean and clear the air inside your apartment. So thank you very much for watching. So this is the easiest way on how to clean your rainbow vacuum. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. This is Alfred of Sir Alfred TV. Thank you.